Hey guys, and welcome back to Pete the Surfaroo. I'm here at Nimbin Waterfall Retreat with Teresa. Hello, how are you?
Good, very good, thank you.
Now this is an amazing place to get away from the big city stress. Now tell us a bit, how did we find this place? Because it is very hidden. It's only 5 minutes away from town.
Well, the best way is to put it into your Google GPS,
Yep.
Nimbin Waterfall Retreat, and it'll bring you straight here. It's only 5 minutes from town, but it is harder to find in the night, so put it in your GPS.
Now the people here are so friendly, like if you do get lost you can ask them on the way through, but once you get here the accommodation is unreal. You've got two different types of accommodation. Three, wow. Tell us about the accommodation.
Okay, well we've got this wonderful cabin here that sleeps 5 people. Amazing views all over the Nightcap Ranges, misty mountains often every morning, lots of wild wallabies, ducks and black cockatoos, and lots of wildlife you'll hear in the morning when you wake up. It's quite lovely. And I also have 2 bed sitters down near the main house. One is the lavender room, which is quite spacious, and also the green room, which has got, they've both got their own decking and kitchenettes, but the cabin is the premium accommodation. Hey Pete, we also have hammocks in every accommodation. Everyone's got their own hammock, so I know it's always great to lay back and chill out in a hammock.
Well guys, what do you reckon? Check this out. You know what they call these? They're lemons, but they're bush lemons. They're grown wild out here at Nimbin, so you can just pick them and they're really juicy and really healthy for you too. Bush lemons, Pete the Surfaroo here at Nimbin. Yeah. It's a great place to get a quiet sleep and wake up fresh and ready to go. Now behind me we also have a waterfall.
Yes, I'm very fortunate to have our own private waterfall, only 5 minutes easy walk from here. It's quite accessible, and we're also going to be doing pop-up weddings here and wellness workshops. And I also have lots of health supplements and essential oils and Ayurvedic healing teas available to purchase as well.
Well, organic lifestyle, healthy, fit, scenic. I think that explains it all. Also, you've got your own horses here too, so if
Yes.
you're into horses, right on your front doorstep.
Yes, Malibu and Hood, they love it here. Yes, and they love greeting guests.
Well, that's great. You can get right into the wildlife, as you can see some footage now. We've got kangaroos on site here, wallabies, I would say, yes. And of course the waterfall, just for a quick stroll down the back there. Guys, I'm going to relax, veg out here at Nimbin. Great place to be. Nimbin Waterfall Retreat, Teresa, Pete the Surfaroo. I'm going to sit back, relax, enjoy this. Until next time, see you later, guys. Whoa.